Hey everyone, Vince here. Today I am bringing you the app Lucky One. Guys, Lucky One promises real life money, okay, to play their app. Now, the actual title of the app is Lucky One Win Lucky Prize, okay? I'm expecting a lot of real life money here, but I have to say everyone, I have been reading the app's reviews and let me tell you how apparently this is going to play out. Apparently we're going to get tons of ads. I'm just going to say this right now. If this app gives me tons of ads, I'm going to lose my marbles, okay? I'm not in the mood for advertisements today. Now, so, tons of ads, and apparently you earn a lot at the start, but then it starts to actually dwindle out, everyone, okay? So, apparently Lucky One promises lots of money at the start, right? But then it dwindles out. We'll find out. I am very curious. Where is the game sound? I am not hearing any game sound right now. Is my headset on? Yes, it is. There's no game sound right now at all. My computer's not picking up any sound either. Use tokens to redeem gift cards. Okay, what are the gift cards? Let's go. I'm ready. Oh, look, 3 cherries. Look, again. Okay, I'm starting to believe the reviews already. I really never win in a row like this. 26,000 coins. Okay, let's do that. What can I do with the coins? If I complete daily missions, I get 1 Amazon gift card puzzle. Looks like there's a whole bunch of other daily rewards to get coins here. So snatch 5 times, spin 3 times, use the slot machine 3 times, scratch 15 cards, raffle, roll dice. Okay. Daily reward, check in. Have to watch an advertisement. No, thank you. No, look at this. The app's trying to make me watch an ad. No. Here we go. Puzzle pieces for apps. Yes. I know apps, real life prizes. Yes, very interesting. Okay, look, it looks like I got the puzzle prize there. Very good. What do I get out of this? Here we go. Get an ad. That's my prize. I get to watch some absolute Muppet of the Earth acting like she's just cured every disease in the world, everyone. It's ridiculous. I hate. There's nothing I hate more, right, than these apps that do these advertisements. Dude, if you want us to play your app, why? Why put actors in it where they're like going like this? Oh my lord! Seriously, dude. I'm just so done in with it. Like, I've played over 100 of these apps now, I'm fairly sure, on my channel. 104, I think. And they all have the same exact ads. All these apps advertise the same. They all look the same. It's crazy, dude. Unlock the scratcher by watching a short video. But why? I've already watched a video, bro. Like, I just watched the video. Shouldn't that count for something? Let's check out the cash out here. $10 USD. Now, apparently, it gets to $6 and you cannot cash out. That's what so many people in the reviews are saying, okay? So, it's very interesting to me. I'm on $1 right now. I need $9 more. What about the coins? Can I do anything with my coins? Let's find out. Okay, $1 USD. 10 million coins. No. $3 USD. 30 million? Let me guess, this is going to be 50 million? Oh my lord. This thing is one big fix, isn't it? This is one big fix, bro. I'm telling you right now, this is a scam. This is going to be 100 million, isn't it? Oh my god, it's going up by... Dude, it's literally... You just add the extra zeros on the end. Look, 200 million. Oh, how basic of a design is this? And to top it off, 500 million coins needed. 500 million. Yes. What a joke. Okay, Lucky One. I don't even have to see anymore, bro. I don't even have to see anymore. The amount of times you've offered me advertisement. This is a scam. 100%, bro. 100%. Let's play the slot machine here. If this gives me an ad, I swear, dude. Okay, free. It says free. There's no ad yet. Good. No sound still, though. Okay, I got apples. Nice, nice, nice. Let's keep going. I hate this app. I absolutely hate this app already. Lucky One. You deserve all the 1-star reviews you have. You really, really do. And to think that this app's going crazy around the internet right now. Like, so many people are playing Lucky One, everyone. No one realizes it's a scam, bro. No one does. I have to watch the ad to actually continue here. They literally paywall you, dude. Look, here's another lucky spin feature. Let me guess, they're going to lock this down with advertisements as well? Let's see. Let's keep going. Yeah, here we go. If I press this button, it's going to give me an ad. You ready? Yeah, great. Great developers. What's this ad now? Lucky Day. They give me a Lucky Day ad as well. Oh, my lord. I'm so... Ugh. It makes me feel weird. It makes me feel cringe, dude, how bad these apps are. Seriously. 1 star. I don't like watching ads. Submit. Get owned, scrubs. Okay, what's this? Snatch. What does this mean? Snatch. Guess one from the following treasure boxes belong to. Okay. Guess wrong. 39 cents. I can snatch, apparently. Right, I can snatch people's treasure. Guess wrong. Okay. Advertisement. Oh my freaking lord, dude. Look at these people. This is probably stolen. Blinko Master ad! A Plinko Master ad, the biggest scam in the world, is still advertising. How is Plinko Master on the marketplace still? Surely not. It's not the original Plinko Master, is it? How do I check this? How do I see this ad? Doesn't let me. Whatever. Okay, here we go. Let's steal this. Guess wrong. 3,000 coins. Don't you play an ad. I'll swear to... Don't you dare play an ad. Oh, yeah, good. And I guarantee it tried to play an ad then, didn't it? Okay, here we go. Bingo! 48 cents. Okay, well that... I'm angry. I'm legitimately angry about this app. What is this garbage? Phone Guardian, what do I do? Protect your personal data when surfing the web. Browse safely 24/7 even on public Wi-Fi. What? No registration, easy setup, and 100% free. Yeah, I'm going to trust a VPN service. Are you crazy? No. I'm not going to trust a VPN service from this app, dude. No, thank you. Sorry, your HP is not enough. You can restore HP by watching a video. Oh my god, how many advertisements? Yes, I'm going to rate your app 1 star again. Roll, let's go. This is a concept from another app as well. All these app concepts are all stolen, dude. Legitimately. This is all stolen, bro. I'm so done in. I'm so, oh my. Another absolute clown of the earth. This guy is an absolute clown of the earth. And do you know what's the funniest thing, guys? He probably doesn't even know he's in an advertisement, legitimately. Merge the number early access. Oh, wow. Oh my god. I'll be playing this on my channel. I'm going to try this out on my channel. You watch. I have to watch this for 10 seconds. So, yeah, okay. I'm sure he's won up to $430 app. Yeah, bro. It's a different icon altogether as well. That's great. That's just fantastic. Once more, no. Roll. Roll. Hello? Hello, bad app. There we go. Guess the treasure box. Let me guess. Wrong. Guess wrong. What a coincidence that was that I guessed that, right? Oh my god, you Guys, do me one favor. If you're going to listen to me on anything, do not play Lucky 1. Please. Please delete this app. It's garbage. Garbage. I believe the reviews 100%. This is a scam. Get rid of it. It's one big fix, bro. Absolute scam. Reeks of scam. Get off my phone, Lucky 1. And stay away. I hope Google destroys your app. See you later, everyone. Check out my other videos. Catch you around.